I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to port your phone number to Movistar in Spain, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you start the porting process, collect all necessary information. This includes your current phone number, account details from your current provider, and any identification documents required. Step 2. Visit a Movistar store or website. Go to a local Movistar store or visit their official website. If you're opting for the website, look for the portability section. This is where you can start the process online. Step 3. Fill out the porting request. Complete the porting request form with your personal information and the number you wish to port. Double check for any typos, as errors can delay the process. Step 4. Submit your request. Once the form is filled out, submit it either online or in store. If you're in store, the representative will assist you. Keep an eye out for any confirmation messages or emails. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation from Movistar. This can take a few hours to a couple of days. Make sure to keep your alt SIM card until the porting is complete to avoid losing service. Remember, patience is key during this process. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Movistar's customer service for assistance. Good luck with your number porting.